8 Natural treatments for peripheral neuropathy. Treatment for peripheral neuropathy depends on the cause. Some common treatments involve physical therapy, surgery, and injections for increased nerve pressure. Other treatments focus on reducing pain and discomfort with over-the-counter painkillers such as ibuprofen or aspirin. There are also a number of natural treatments to help reduce symptoms and peripheral neuropathy. 1. Vitamins. Some cases of peripheral neuropathy are related to vitamin deficiencies. Vitamin B is essential for your nerve health. A deficiency can lead to significant nerve damage. While you can get vitamin B from your meals, your doctor may also recommend taking a supplement. Stick to the recommended dose to prevent toxicity and worsening symptoms. Vitamin D can also help prevent nerve pain. Your skin typically produces vitamin D in response to sunlight. A deficiency can cause neuropathy pain. Taking a supplement can help reduce the symptoms of neuropathy. 2. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, an ingredient in hot peppers that makes them spicy. Capsaicin has been used in topical creams for its pain relief properties. It decreases the intensity of pain signals sent through the body. Incorporating cayenne pepper in your diet or taking a capsaicin supplement can help to reduce neuropathy pain. Topical capsaicin ointments can also be used on the body. Although it may initially burn, continued use will gradually reduce neuropathy sensations. Be sure to discuss this treatment method with your doctor before using it to prevent adverse symptoms. 3. Quit smoking. Smoking affects your blood circulation. The blood vessels narrow and less oxygenated blood can get through. Without proper blood circulation, you may experience increased numbness and pain from your peripheral neuropathy. Eliminating smoking habits can help to improve your symptoms. Let this motivate you to make positive changes. 4. Warm bath. Taking a warm bath can be soothing and can also alleviate pain symptoms from neuropathy. Warm water increases blood circulation throughout the body, decreasing pain symptoms from numbness. If your sensory nerves are affected from peripheral neuropathy and you're not as sensitive to temperature, be careful not to make your bath water too hot. 5. Exercise. Regular exercise can help to combat pain and improve your overall health. Being active can reduce your blood sugar, which, in turn, can reduce or slow down nerve damage. Exercise also increases blood flow to your arms and legs and reduces stress. These are all factors that help to reduce discomfort and pain. 6. Essential oils. Some essential oils, including chamomile and Roman lavender, help to increase circulation in the body. They also have pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory properties that could boost healing. Dilute essential oils, a few drops, in 1 ounce of a carrier oil such as olive oil. Applying these diluted oils to the affected area can reduce stinging and tingling pains from peripheral neuropathy. 7. Meditation. Meditation techniques can help people struggling with neuropathy symptoms live through their pain. It can help to lower stress, improve your coping skills, and decrease your pain intensity. Taking a mind-body approach is a non-invasive technique that provides you with more control over your condition. 8. Acupuncture. Acupuncture promotes natural healing by stimulating the body's pressure points. This technique triggers the nervous system to release chemicals that can change the pain experience or threshold. Acupuncture helps to provide an energy balance to the body that can affect your emotional well-being. Prevention works so much better than treatment. Keeping your blood sugars within the normal range will help prevent your neuropathy from worsening. If your neuropathy is related to alcohol intake, stop drinking now to prevent the condition from getting worse. Natural remedies have some success in alleviating the pain symptoms of peripheral neuropathy. However, be sure to consult with your doctor prior to participating in a new treatment method. If you begin experiencing irregular symptoms from natural remedies, or if your conditions worsen, visit a doctor immediately.